Kuya? Kuya? Mainit. Lie down.
Net.
Now let's go to the other parts.
More parts?
This is 3 stories. Now since you don't have shoes, you go there because they don't allow shoes there. Oh. Sit down and face here. I'll just take a picture of you. There's a net. Bawal shoes. Bawal shoes.
Hindi na ako maghuhubad.
Wanna try the net?
You go first.
I did.
Nag-try na siya. Hali ka na.
Let me show ya.
Kung hindi na magta-try, marami pa.
Bigat ni Giancarlo.
Kaya yan. Mumurma ka doon para makasama ka sa picture. Wala? Hindi marunong makinig ng instruction.
Gotta move your shoes. You try it.
Pray this can support you.
There's so many pups. It will support you.
Oh, face here. Okay, lie down. Sit down.
Sit down. It's not going to break. See, told ya.
Dude, I have no night power.
Oh, sige na. Go up na if you cannot manage.
Make your way to a corner. Get up. Come on. Ow! This is a horrible idea.
How can I help you? You have to push yourself up. You have to push yourself up. There's no way I can pull you up. Huwag masyado maingay, anak. You're making a scene.
You got it, you got
Huwag ka dyan, Obi. Let him. You cannot pull him up physically. It's impossible. Legs. Sige.
You got it.
Come on. Obi, wear slippers na. Wear shoes na. Where there are there places to go? No, hindi na. Tapos ako na dito. Obi, look.
Ang hangin dito.
Obi.
Wait.
Ano na nangyari, kuya?
Sit down here, anak.
You wanna swing?
Dahan-dahan.
Try the swing. Yeah, it can support you. You're not 300 pounds. You're not even 200 pounds.
Papa.
Obi, look. Ma. Kasali ako sa casting, mama. Diyan mo lang yung GoPro. Dito ka lang mag-picture. Yan, para flex na picture. Okay na?
Okay na. Obi, tingin dito. Gian.
Yeah.
Antonio Montana.
Anak ng smile.
Antonio Montana. Well, let's go to the other floors. Dito meron, ang galing na ba tayo rito? Meron stairs din naman dito.
Miss, pwede ba picture sa taas? Yes, ma. Okay, pwede daw. Pwede po, pa-photo po. Yes, thank you.
Say hello to the vlog. Ayun, meron doon sa baba, oh. This is Mist, Panglao, Bohol. Our last day. Okay, here's the top floor. That's what it looks like. That one today. Yeah.
You up here.
Yo, that's it. Did you miss anything on the first floor?
I don't think so. Look up! Seniors! Sumagot sa look up! Seniors, look up!
Your voice.
I don't care.
You
Air.
said not to make a fuss earlier.
See, this isn't getting me. This isn't making a scene. It's just getting
Okay.
Yo, look at that. Please watch out your children.
Can you stand beside Mama? Stand beside Mama there. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna pan to the
Nang hangin dito.
view. Look at them,
That's a
look at
tape.
you. One more. Against the light. Dito ako. Against the light. Stay. Sit the fuck down. Yan, may light. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Siyempre, hindi ako na naman kasama.
Talagang ganun. Hilig mo naman tumalikod. Dali.
Hindi talikod, kaya ako gusto wide view eh.
Okay. Kumakain na sila.
Get up here. The view is amazing.
You already imagine the picture set.
Mama, nakawan yung video niya na, yung jerkiness mo.
Obi.
Go up there na.
Okay.
Ay, hindi mo kaya. The view from the top deck. There's the road. This is the 3rd floor, and this is Obi. Wave to the camera. Say hello to the vlog.
Hello.
Hello, vlog. Welcome to my guys. There are the people eating.
Hey, get up here.
I'll try.
If you can't, never mind. Come on, let's go. They're eating. We have a few minutes left. It's a close thing. Come on.
Take an here.
Just don't do it. Just don't do it. Don't question. Nice place. The Koreans over there. May swing din doon sa baba, mama.
Oh, really?
Ayan. Mag-eat ka muna bago ka bumaba.
Swimming the seat.
Here's the food. Here's the eater.
Potato salad. Ano ba ito? Calamari.
Potato salad.
Calamaris.
Wala pala akong
Tomato soup.
Yes.
Where?
calamares.
Tomato soup.
Tomato soup.
Kombucha soup.
Kombucha. Bubot. Kombucha.
Ayun yun.
Tastes like I'm fine.
Tacos.
Ito pala yung kombucha. Narinig ko kay Mikey Busto.
What is that?
Kombucha. Kombucha.
Ah, one picture. Picture.
Pumpkin.
Oh, siyempre di ako kasama. Staff. Darling.
Just like,
Darling.
ano,
Magkukwentuhan sila.
just like squash soup.
Effort it took to build a place like this. And the money, no less. Dudes. This is an American Willys Jeep. By the looks of it, it looks pretty unmodified. Even the seats inside.
Look at the gas can.
Yeah. And honestly, it looks like it hasn't been like... Dude, it doesn't look modified in the slightest. Oh, okay, sure, there is some rust, but still. This is a genuine American Willys Jeep. Now, granted, the top speed of this is like 40 kilometers an hour. Absolutely nothing by today's standards, but at the time, you're like, what, driving a Model T car, which is even slower? By the standards of the time, this is pretty speedy. They even still have the instructions on it.
Yeah. I just noticed that too. Oh, I know, it seems to top out at 60.
It tops out at 60. Oh yeah, it does. But still, from what I've read, the common speed for this was 40.
Yeah.
Now this thing was rugged.
It's like...
This thing was rugged. This was like the Humvee of the Second World War era.
Yeah.
Now it wasn't meant to be driven into combat. It was more like... It's more there to bring troops and supplies where they were needed.
That makes sense, yeah. I just want to read this.
Now the back compartment, this was just added in. Don't touch that.
No, I'm trying to read this.
Now the back component, sometimes you'd have a machine gun mount in here.
Mountain?
Yeah, sometimes you have a machine gun mount in the back.
Mounted.
Yeah, machine gun mount. That's what you'd call it, a machine gun mount. You mount a machine gun.
You're saying it like mountain.
Dude, that's how you pronounce it. A machine gun mount.
I know, but you were saying it like mountain. Like the...
Dude, I think they abandoned us.
Oh no shit, we've been looking at the fucking Jeep for like, what, 15 minutes?
What do you expect? I'm a history nerd. Alright, let's go find
Hold
them.
on, let me just touch this grass. Are you still recording?
Yeah. Now, when the Americans left, a lot of those Jeeps got converted to Jeepneys, which you can still see.
That part. We know
I'm
that
not
part.
talking to you, I'm talking to the vlog. Anyways, a lot of those were like converted to Jeepneys. Now, granted, in the decades since, they either like replaced the engine, added a bunch of modifications, but the basic shape is still there.
Can you stop saying now granted? Where did they go?
They're right there.
Endangered species. I think those are, you touch it, just don't squeeze.
Ubi, dun ka.
Ito yatang seahorse na to, replica lang to.
Yeah, seahorses are never that big.
Replica lang yan.
Itong ganda din mo ganito. Tayo ko dyan. Kasi may sombrero.
What's that, baby?
Yeah, cover. Kaya ka lalaki talaga na.
O, tanong nyo na kung totoo yung seahorse. Yung seahorse po, totoo? Yung seahorse?
Man-made lang yan, pati yung seahorse. But the rest, tunay.
Eto, may mermaid dito, mama. Mama, may mermaid. O, eto, may mermaid dito. Real, real to real.
Oh, yan ang tunay. Morning. Ang ganda naman ni Marshall.
Eto, pwede ka mag-magnifying glass. O, itong maliit na to.
Ah, the smallest, right?
Yeah, sige. Sige, magnifying glass mo na. Yeah, para makita mo yung
Ano yan?
smallest po.
Shell po. Smallest shell? Yun?
Manila Bay galing, 1973. Ano yung nakalagay?
1848. Panglaw po.
Ito po, Manila Bay.
Smallest shell
Ito po nakalagay, Manila Bay.
Ito yung pinaka-smallest.
Yung nasa ibabaw ng bulak.
Yun.
Ito yung nabasa ko kasi Manila Bay.
Balikas
Ano wala? 1973 din.
That's the smallest?
Yes.
Can we see?
No.
Oh my god.
No.
Look at this shell.
Parang tinga lang eh, no?
Look at that shell.
Oh yeah, that is one time.
Akala ko
Mga tunay na
ito,
pala yung mga binibenta.
Dude, that is time.
Meron pa dito pala.
I think that's the bathroom.
No. There are still shells here.
Oh my god, these shells are massive. These shells are big.
I don't think those are real.
They're so big.
Ito yung pinaka-smallest.
This is Ariel. Ariel on drugs.
One of the smallest shell na nagkakahalaga ng 1,000 euros.
Royal family. Yeah, this one. Okay.
Picture daw muna.
So, ma'am.
Maliit pa.
Yeah. Dandahan lang ha. Sige po, sir.
Ano, papaganon.
Okay, sir, ma'am.
From this front.
Guys, come first. Ay, come first pala. Come first. Okay, facing me. Then eyes on the board. 1, 2, and smile. Wow, delicious, ma'am, sir. One more. Another one. 3, 2, and spectacular. Last one. Waki. 1, 2. Oh, wow. Ang ganda colorful. Ma'am, another CCTV, di ba? Ang ganda colorful. Para mga sinampay. Yun yung gamitin mo. Okay, ma'am.
Para sinampay na.
Okay, again. Okay, 1, 2. One more. Wow, unstoppable. Yeah. So, ma'am, labasin mo natin yung kahapon pa. Careful ha. Ma'am, ako muna kasi ako yung guy. So, come on. Careful.
Okay.
Okay, so ma'am, sir, pagbaba, ganito ha. Side view.
Makinig.
Ma'am. Yeah, especially the young ones. Oh. So ma'am, pagbaba ganito, side view, hawak na maigi sa may railings.
Okay.
We call this walk tsunami walk, going down. Careful ha.
One step
Me everywhere.
One step, bawat isa. Hindi yung magkakadalawa.
Hindi ganyan pag ano, no?
Oo, patagin.
Okay, watch your steps, watch your head, watch me whip, and watch me name. Careful ha. Slowly.
Ikaw muna. At yun.
Slowly but surely. Sir, your head. Malalim yung kasunod, sir. Malalim yung kasunod. Okay. Ma'am, dahan-dahan, ma'am, ha?
Untog.
Yeah. Bababa na yung may-ari ng Palawan Pawn Shop. Ma'am, yung ulo. Yan, be careful. Ma'am. Come on, Miss Alice Dixon. Ma'am, dahan-dahan, ma'am, ha?
Gian, pagkatapos yung ulo, Gian, ha?
Ma'am, yung ulo. Okay. Careful, baby, ha? Yung ulo. Ma'am, yung ulo yung para walang souvenir na bukil. Ma'am, dahan-dahan. Careful lang ha, be careful. The next one is big. Big step. Nasa bat.
Nasa ba't na yung bag?
It belongs to the back room.
Careful. So ma'am, dito, ma'am sir, dito kayo ulit ha. Picturein ko kayo facing dyan para ito baka. So ma'am, yeah. No. Dito ma'am, dito. Sakto lang. Ma'am, dahan. Ma'am, come on, dito. Careful lang. Ma'am, isa na lang gamitin natin para isa-isang camera na lang para makahawak kayo para hindi kayo madumi. Mainit, ipot ng ibon. Come on.
The second one.
Hindi po
Ma'am,
talaga.
pagbaba natin dito, be careful ha. Kasi kahapon itong 7 steps, yung isang bumaba, nag-shortcut. Come on.
Opo.
Slowly but surely.
Ang ganda ng ano, stalactites.
Ma'am, dandan ha.
Hindi na yan.
Careful ma'am. Bawal madalas yung mga principal sponsor. Ma'am, slowly. Slowly but surely. Ma'am, be careful ha. Ma'am, dito ma'am.
Mama.
Mamaya ma'am, i-explain ko yan ma'am. Careful. Ma'am, sir, come on. Ma'am, sali kayo ma'am ha. Dito kayong lahat. Doon ako pipicture sa taas para yung background nyo, yung buong view.
Okay.
Yan, maganda.
May naligo. Dapat niya dagat na.
So this is salted.
Ano to is spring?
Masakit yung legs niyan eh. Nag-chocolate hills eh. Doon sa railing.
Ma'am, dito kayo, dito. Ma'am, dito ha. Facing kayo doon para ito back.
So I wonder if I can get honey here as well.
Meron pa bang next after dito? Bee farm. The bee farm.
It's really special.
Picture mama. Mama. Against the light. One, two.
We got a compass.
No, this is facing south. North and south. So that's not south.
May mga handa pa.
Alright. Can I have my phone back?
Yung PJ is another just No. Meron. Meron daw dito.
Hi, dude.
Good.
Good.
And a new friend I see.
No, I just said hi.
Ganda dito.
Ano kaya ang ano rito? What you call this? Yung
Doon pa.
resort.
Resort. Oo.
Asan yung bahay?
Doon yan. Yung siguro
Oceanica.
mga Cabana.
Cabana style. Video dyan ha? Ayan, that's already. Here you go. Walk around.
Wait, what's the name of this place?
Oceanica.
Oceanica. So, welcome to Oceanica. Some beach resort, I believe, somewhere in the south of this island, if I'm not mistaken. Although I could be wrong on that. Still, beautiful beach. Plenty of white sand. And of course, a very scenic view of the ocean ahead. Alright guys, here's the ocean view. As you can see, clear skies, clear weather, and plenty of white sand. Also, there's a place for your kids to like swing here. If you have any kids, this is the place to go. Although I'm not sure about the pricing of this place. I'm gonna have to clarify that with the staff later on. Now the only problem with a place like this is swimming in like the afternoon, because believe me, it gets hot in the Philippines. Very, very easily, I might add. Missing one What?
Diyan ka lang.
Sorry, what?
Diyan ka lang, diyan ka lang. Smile. Dito maganda kuya na.
Yeah, except for the heat.
Eh, siyempre, andun ko pumunta.
Met a new friend I see.
No, I just said hi.
Hey, dude.
Good?
Yeah,
How's the video?
doing pretty
What you
good.
film? What you film? Vlog?
More like personal vlog,
Ah,
actually.
personal vlog at the same time with the GoPro and what is the phone? iPhone?
Yeah, this one's for pictures.
Oh, okay.
Your name?
Charlie.
Charlie.
Yeah.
Name's Gian.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Where you from, man?
From the Philippines, actually. Born and raised.
Oh,
Here
okay.
on Bohol for vacation.
Nice.
Today's my last day, so
Yeah?
I'm making the most of what I have before I leave.
It's a nice place, right?
Yep.
Okay, I'm in the vlog. Yo, 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 do not forget to subscribe to the best vlogger in the Philippines. He needs 1 million subscribers. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Nice meeting you, Charlie.
Yeah, nice to meet you, bro.
See you, bro. I got sweat in the eyes.
Turn off your camera.
This is the bar area.
Yeah.
Plenty of seats and accommodations for everybody involved. Plenty of folks around here enjoying a drink, as usual. And there's the family. Well, part of my family. That's me father right there. Me brother, Tita, and Tito, I guess. Yeah, I'm the guy who's been talking to you for the better part of 7 minutes.